Hi guys, here to share my August Phenology project with you all. These are supposed to be what's called an Indian paintbrush flower. I think that's what they are anyway. Please maybe don't correct me if I'm wrong because I don't want to know. But anyways, I saw these while I was out hiking. It's like an hour and a half away from my house and it was by a stream. So I don't know if it goes along with the rest of what I'm doing here, which was more local, but I figure an hour and a half is not that much further away. This one I made just really simple. Can you tell like they're getting simpler as I go along? But just a stem stitch for the stems, and then I didn't know whether to call these straight stitches or satin stitches. I kind of just went back and forth on each of the little like spiky things, and then just a simple satin stitch for the leaves, and then just 2 colors for the entire thing. So really simple for this month, but also really pretty, and I think it adds to the look of the entire Phenology wheel. As always, there will be a link to the pattern in the description below, as well as a link to where you can get the fabric. Head over to Instagram and check out #CutesieCraftsSAL. That stands for Cutesy Crafts Stitch Along. And make sure to post your projects using that same hashtag so I can see what you all are stitching.